What is up, guys, and welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Wommack, and today I will show you how to recreate this look right here. I posted it on my Instagram account, and since then you have been asking me to do a tutorial to show you how to recreate this look, this kind of film look, black and white, blown out, grainy film look. And I will show you how to do this using only your smartphone, the free Lightroom app, and another free app called Over. And of course, I've also created a free overlay for you guys to use. You can download it from my website. I've created this for you for free as a thank you for all the support, the love that you're showing me on this channel. So make sure to download that. And of course, as always, I've also created a preset on exactly this look. It's a Lightroom preset, and you will just easily be able to paste this look to your images. It's also linked under this video. It's on my website, and it's in the all presets pack with over 200 Lightroom presets for you to easily paste to every one of your pictures to make them look great. And the cool thing about this all presets pack is that every time I create new presets, such as this one today, they're automatically updated to the pack. So you just have to get it once and you'll get a growing presets pack, which is a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Of course, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell. And if there's anything else you need from me, or you have ideas for new videos or requests in general, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @Wommack is my handle. Now I've said enough, let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing I want you to do, of course, is take your picture in front of a dark wall, maybe a black wall even if you find something like that, and then we can get started in the free Lightroom app. So we open up the Lightroom app right here, and now I've chosen this picture here. We hit light down here and we go to curve on the upper right side, and then I want you to pull up the shadows here on the bottom left, and then right next to them pull back down so we get that blown out shadows effect right here. Maybe pull them down a little more. Maybe around here is perfect. Once you have this, we're done here. Then we just want to pull down the contrast to around -10 or -9. The highlights up a little bit to +5. Shadows down to -20 right there. And the whites up to +5. The blacks all the way down to -53 right here. Then we go over to color, and since it's a black and white look, we just want to pull down the saturation all the way to -100 right there. And then we go over to effects already, and here I want you to just pull down the clarity to around -25. Boost up the dehaze to +18 right there. And then we want to add grain. This is really essential for this blown out vintage look, all the way up to maybe around 40 is good, and maybe even increase the roughness down here maybe to around 63. And once you have this, we're already done. We can export it here on top, export to camera roll, and now it's saving to our camera roll. The next thing I want you to do is open up that free Over app, which is also linked under this video. And this is when we're going to use that free overlay that I've created for you guys. So make sure you download that in the beginning, and now we can start working with this in the free Over app here. So we open the Over app, and then of course we want to hit the plus down here and go to image on the upper left side. And now you want to choose that image that we've just created here, original, that's fine. Hit the check mark, and now it's open. We hit image on the bottom left again, and then we go to all photos again. Here we go to recents, and now I want you to look for this overlay that you've downloaded. And now it's on top of this. We can just zoom in to drag it on top of the picture, and then down here scroll all the way to where it says blend here in the end. And then I want you to use screen right there, and now we scroll back here to where it says opacity. We pull that down to maybe around 30 or 29% is good, and we hit the check mark, and we're done. And this is it, guys. Here's a little before and after, and I must say I'm really blown away how great this result is. I really love the artistic vibe of the picture, and it's a really cool way for you to upgrade pictures that might look a little boring, or some pictures where the colors are off. You just create that really nice artistic black and white look, vintage film black and white look with it, and it will look amazing. So let me know what you think about this tutorial, and of course let me see what you create, what you come up with using this tutorial. I'm always really excited to see your results. Of course, I've also created a preset on exactly this look. If you want to go check it out, link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 200 presets that you can easily paste to every one of your pictures. Most of you guys already have the all presets pack, so you can start working with this preset today. The rest of you guys, I really recommend that presets pack because every time I create new ones, they're automatically updated to that pack. So it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Also, of course, get the free overlay that I've created for you, also linked under this video. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell, and if there's anything else you need from me, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle. Now, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your love, the support, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.